Okay, when it comes to packing up your suspension to ship in, this is really the most common and really best method to ship in, and actually preferably if you have or can make a cardboard box that goes over this, kind of the out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. The better. If not, that's okay. Couple tips here when it comes to packing up your suspension is to, you could use old towels and wrap them up. You want to make sure that there's a layer of protection around each fork tube, around the shock itself. And one of the most important things is you need to be able to fill this dead space in here. If they're just touching and banging off each other or shifting back and forth, that's going to promote the plastic to crack or bust open on the ends. So fill your voids. Go ahead and wrap each component individually, and then also another big thing is going to be, even if you just double print the label, because we're going to send you a label, double print the label and slip it in there. If not, print out an extra copy of the request form and then put that extra copy of the request form. And just in case the label on the outside gets torn off and they crack this thing open, they'll have your name, phone number, address, and a way to get a hold of you or us so that we can get it sorted out for you. All right, let's take a look on the outside, see what would be the best practice to do that. Okay, on the outside here, you can see that really reinforced tape is probably the preferred method here when it comes to taping up the outside of your hard plastic gun case. You don't really want to get into using some of those ones that have kind of this press board, cardboard type stuff. And we've seen those things disintegrate. Get yourself a hard case. It's going to be the best way to go. So a couple things on the outside here. Any lock holes that you have, get yourself a zip tie wrap, and then go ahead and then secure those holes there. And like I said, clear tape or reinforced clear tape is really recommended. You want to make sure you go completely over the latches. Even if you're putting this inside a box, do yourself a favor. I see it all the time where people will just chuck the stuff in a box and not undo these, but guess what? These people aren't treating it like fine china out there. So when it gets dropped, the latch comes unhinged, and the next thing you know, your stuff's spilling out, and now it's loose, and then it's banging off of each other. So take the extra minute, go at least 1.5 times around, cover the latches completely around the case, and then also as well on the ends. And this is really critical to do this on the ends. It helps kind of unify and solidify the whole case, right? Because it has a little lip that it sits on there. And so you want to make sure that you go over the end and make sure it's tight and closed. When this stuff gets set down, I mean, it's between 38 and 40 pounds, and if you got space in there and the ends aren't closed and that stuff just rams through the end, you have the potential to lose your suspension. So once that's done, just take your label, tape it to the outside, or even better yet, when you go to drop it off at FedEx, they have a heavy-duty nylon pouch that they then zip tie to the handle. If your handle is solidly connected, if it's got some janky, unsafe hinges on there, don't do that. Just, as I said, tape it on there really nice. But other than that, there you go. There's some really good hints for you. So pack it tight, put your info inside there, tape over the latches and the sides, and we'll get you over label and get you on your way. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Give us a call or email if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a great day.